What is PS4 initialization and how does it work?
Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that every PlayStation 4, PS4 user should understand: PS4 initialization. It's a crucial concept to grasp, especially when dealing with software problems on your console. So, let's get started.
What is PS4 initialization?
PS4 initialization is a process that restores your PS4 system to its original state. It removes user data, games, and saved files, returning the system to the way it was when you first bought it. You might need to initialize your PS4 for various reasons, for example, to solve software glitches or if you plan to sell or give away your console. Please note, initialization will delete everything on your PS4, so always make sure to back up any data you want to keep.
How does PS4 initialization work?
Now that you know what initialization is, let's dive into how it works. 2.1 Normal initialization. To perform a normal initialization, follow these steps. 1. Turn on your PS4 and go to the function screen. 2. Select Settings, then Initialization, and finally, Initialize PS4. 3. You'll be presented with two options: Quick and Full. The quick option is faster but not as thorough, while the full option takes longer but ensures everything is fully wiped. 2.2 Safe Mode initialization. If you're experiencing more significant issues, you may need to initialize your PS4 in safe mode. Here's how. 1. Turn off your PS4 by pressing the power button on the front panel. 2. Once your PS4 is off, press and hold the power button. Release it after you've heard 2 beeps. 3. Connect your controller to the PS4 with a USB cable and press the PS button. 4. In the Safe Mode menu, choose Initialize PS4. Safe Mode initialization also offers quick and full options. Remember, no matter which method you use, all data will be completely and irreversibly erased. And there you have it. That's PS4 initialization in a nutshell. It's a useful tool for resetting your system and resolving software issues, but be sure to back up your data first, as it wipes everything clean. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope this has helped you better understand how to manage your PS4 system. Stay tuned for more gaming tips and tricks.